getting through them. Let's keep going. 20. A pentagon is created using matches. By adding more matches, a row of 2 pentagons is formed, and continuing to add matches, 3 can be formed. Continuing this pattern, what is the maximum number of complete pentagons that can be formed with 100 matches in total? Let me just draw up a table. We'll call this number of pentagon, n, and we call this number of matches, m for matches, n for number, I'll call it p, number for pentagon. 1 pentagon uses up 5 matches. 2 pentagons uses up 9 matches. 3 pentagons uses up 13 matches. If we continue that, 4 pentagons would use up 17 matches. We now need to figure out what is the equation that would link P and M. The equation would be, if I just quickly have a look at this, 2 times 3, 2 times 4 plus 1, 1 times 4 plus 1, 3 times 4 plus 1, 4 times 4 plus 1. M is going to equal to 4 times P plus 1. So whatever P is, if you times it by 4 and plus 1 to it, you're going to get the equivalence of M. Now that we have the equation, we know we have 100 matches. How many pentagons can we make? I'm going to minus 1 to both sides and divide by 4 on both sides. 99 divided by 4 is 24 3/4 of a pentagon. Now obviously we can't have 24 3/4 of a pentagon, so the maximum amount that we can make is 24. So I'm going to say for this question 20B. Yay! 21. The length of a netball court is measured to be 30.5 meters, correct to the nearest centimeter. What is the lower limit for the length of the netball court? Since it is measured to the nearest centimeter, since the smallest measurement is 1 centimeter, the error that the person who's measuring it can make would be half a centimeter. So the lower limit of the court is half a centimeter less than this, which is this one. Yeah, I'm on a roll. Haven't gotten one wrong yet. Oh, I might have spoken too soon. Let's finish the rest first. 22. A concrete water pipe is manufactured in the shape of an annular cylinder. The dimensions are shown in the diagrams. What is the approximate volume of concrete needed to make the water pipe? What I'm going to do, my plan is to get the volume of the larger tube minus the volume of the inner tube, so therefore all I'm left is the volume in between them. The volume of the big tube is the circle pi r squared times the length of the thing, and that will be pi times what's that, 0.45 squared times by 2.8. that will be the volume of the big one. .7812 ... I'm gonna save this. Shift store. Okay, that's an A. Now the volume of the small tube is again the same. but using the radius of the small one, so 0.35 squared times the same length. (1.077566) ... The difference of these two, so big minus small, oh, that's off screen, but it's just that one minus that one. 0.7037 ... meters cubed. They're all meters cubed. (0.7037 ... meters cubed. They are all meters cubed. Therefore, the approximate value of concrete is C, 0.7 meters cubed. Let's see if it's right. 22C. Yes. 3 more questions.